Hey everyone, welcome to Sprout Social, a tool that lets us manage all our social media platforms in one place. As you can see, they offer a 30-day free trial. What do we mean by one place? Well, it lets us manage various social networks from a single hub. Instead of checking stats from different sites, Sprout Social lets us view TikTok, Instagram, Google Business, Shopify, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and more, all in one centralized platform. Got it? So let's go ahead and start the free trial. We'll click on the 30-day trial button, and as you can see, we can simply log in. Let's proceed. Here, they ask us to connect our profile. We'll just click next. Now we can customize our account, organization name, best writer, job type, etc. It's not crucial though. Next. And there we go. We're inside the tool and ready to start using it. How can we connect any social network to Sprout Social? Well, we'll go to our account section and click on connect a profile. Here we have all the social media tools. Let's connect YouTube, for example. Great, as you can see, it's connected. We'll hit save changes, okay? And there we have our YouTube account connected, for instance. Now, if I go to all messages, I can see YouTube messages, for example. How can we view messages received through all social media tools within Sprout Social? We go to Smart Inbox, where we can see all messages, both private and saved, as well as response approvals, okay? And all the messages we've actually received. Here, as you can see, they mark messages as negative, neutral, or positive, right? They also indicate if a response is recommended or not. Customer service and high brand risk. What's this useful for? Well, to categorize messages and apply filters, okay? For example, I only want YouTube messages, and within YouTube messages, under tags, I want high priority ones. Well, in this case, none appear. More filters, we can go to cases or rather response classification and select recommended response here. Okay, let's select no response needed. As you can see, some don't have this information, so recommended response, for example, and we can add more filters. Sentiments may be negative, right? That'd be useful, or positive if we just want to say thanks. So yeah, it's that simple. Alright, how can we view stats for all our social networks in one place on Sprout Social? Let's go to reports where we can see the individual performance of each platform. Okay, for example, we can check the performance of YouTube videos. We'd click there to view each video individually, got it? Right now we're in profiles by network, but let's go to multiple networks and check profile performance, okay? A lot of data won't show up here because the account was just connected. It says, we're currently collecting your data for a connected profile. We can't show data from before you connected your profile. We can't provide data for profiles that are offline. We can't give you data for specific dates. We can provide real-time data as it takes up to 24 hours to collect. Audience growth data takes 3 days to compile for graphing daily changes. Here they're showing us a demo mode with impressions, engagements, and clicks from various social networks and more from different social platforms. I'm particularly interested in YouTube, shown at the bottom, where we can see views for each video source. So it's that simple to view stats for all our social networks. As you can see, there are many use cases and opportunities. That's all for now. Alright, how do Sprout Social bots work? Well, we go to bot and have various bot templates, blank ones too. Basically, what we're finding here are bots. Seems it's only for X. No, YouTube isn't there. It says, customer service, create a bot to help your customers. So when someone contacts you on X, it replies automatically. Lead generation, create a bot that generates leads for your business. That's where the bot comes in, okay? We'd select the profile and save. Allow DMs from anyone. We'd allow and accept. Enter chatbot name, description name, and save, okay? As you see, we have lots of variables, okay? We can customize this. Thanks for contacting us, okay? It says, we'd like to know more about you in the right direction. We've worked before. You can always type less to restart the chat. It says, user clicks. Yes, no, if yes. Hey buddy, how can we help you? Give feedback, FAQ resources, talk to someone. And in all messages it'll say a person will manually answer our question, okay? So this way we automate the process quite a bit, right? We can remove it. We can also create a bot that guides users to our products. We can make a bot that shares valuable content, okay? And more, basically these would be chatbot automations, right? You create a blank template and start adding variables, okay? Like we saw in the yes or no template example of if this answer do this, if that answer do that, if this word do this. So yeah, it's that simple. How can we make posts using Sprout Social? Well, let's go to Sprout Social, okay? We click publish, and as you can see, we have the calendar here, along with many other features, right? But we'll focus on the calendar, and for example, here we'll click schedule post. We type hi, add an image here, and we can mark this as a draft or not. It's okay. We'd add tags, campaign info, etc.
And as you see, it'll be sent to the X network, alright? It shows us right here. In this case, I assume I have no other option, so it would go there, okay? For this particular post. Obviously, we can't upload videos from here, okay? But we can make text posts. Here we'd have drafts, posts needing approval, and rejected ones, okay? Various campaigns, active or archived, posts with errors, and more. So that's it. It's that simple.
How can we invite a user to Sprout Social? Let's say we've added all our social networks to Sprout Social and need to start managing them, but obviously we can't handle it alone. That's where our team comes in. Go to Settings, click Invite Team Member, and enter their name, surname, email, and role, okay? Their role determines what they can do, like disconnecting networks, managing campaigns, or handling bots. We also have profile permissions to set, and once done, we'll send an invitation. It's that simple. I hope you found this helpful. Alright, let's check out Sprout Social's pricing plans. First off, I'll say that I'm quite interested in this tool, okay? As you know, we have multiple channels in different languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Arabic, and more, right? Up to 13. You can see them on the channel's main page, okay? So we'll click Start My Subscription, and I'll say I'm very interested in this tool. It seems great for management, responding to people, and having all stats in one place. Let's click Start My Subscription and check out the prices. I honestly didn't expect... Oh, these are... Okay, their annual payments. I was thinking at most about $30 a month. Let's switch to monthly payment, alright? And, okay, the monthly payment... No, but it's not. It doesn't convert, right? I mean, it says monthly payment, but charges the same amount. Let's take a look. Oh no, this is the price, folks. Sorry, annual payment is $2,388, the cheapest option. Monthly payment is $250 per month. Oh my goodness! And I was saying I'd pay $30 at most, huh? Oh, and it only allows up to 5 social media profiles. Wow, what a hefty price. Well, it's clearly aimed at people with big channels, right? And lots of traffic, because $250 a month is a lot, huh? True, you can make use of it, but you can only connect 5 profiles. We'd need 13. Not sure if one user means both of us need subscriptions if we're a team. I hope not. But then on the other hand, we have the professional plan with unlimited users and social profiles for $400 a month. Personally, I'd prefer if, instead of offering everything, they'd let you choose specific features. I'm only interested in certain parts, like general stats and response capabilities. It'd be great if you could pick just those parts and only pay for what you need, right? Let's consider the pricing. I find them quite expensive. True, they've no competition as they're the best tool out there, but I get it. If social media is your job and you use Sprout Social well, you can really make it worthwhile. Still, $300 a month is something to think hard about, so that's all. Hope you found this helpful.